Hey you guys, it's been a long day, but we're here. We're gonna get through another synthetic wig review, so you better stay tuned. This wig is from So Good Shop. Thank you So Good Shop for sending over this wig. This is from Freetress Equal. It's their lace invisible L part wig named Tammy, and I have her in the color OP27. So Tammy does come with hard lace. You have your lace parting, 2 combs right by the part, 1 comb in the back, and 2 adjustable straps. She is a really pretty honey brown, honey blondish color. Actually, there isn't really a lot of blonde. It's pretty much just brown, and it's dark rooted all the way throughout the wig. That's always a plus. She looks like she's a nice cropped length with some soft beachy waves. If you like this wig, I do have a review up on my channel for this hair. I will leave a link here and also in the information bar down below. And let's jump into Miss Tammy. You guys, I love this wig. You guys should know by now, like anybody who's been rocking with me, you know what? In the comments, put it in the comments down below. If you've been subscribed and watching my channel for longer than a year, I want you to put it in the comments. Just write apples. Write apples in the comments if you've been rocking with JessTheDragoness. If you have, you already know this type of wig is the type of wig that I go ham bony for, okay? I love wigs like this. These types of wigs, you literally just put it on and it slays straight out the pack, okay? I put a little bit of my foundation in the part. I do have my own edges out, but if you guys have been watching me, you know how I put baby hairs. I use the baby hairs from the wig. So if you don't have edges, if you are suffering from any sort of hair loss around your hairline, you can create these baby hairs using the wig. I will leave a link up here to a video where I did that. So if you do want to see me creating baby hairs with the wig, I will leave a link. This literally just touching my neck, a style that's like soft beachy waves. I loved how these waves just combed out, you guys. Like this wig is giving me all types of yes and no types of no. Like, so yeah, I feel like this wig is super versatile for anyone who likes short hair, colored hair, black hair, everyday hair, glam hair, hair that's somewhere in between. Like, I feel like this wig is just that girl. She is that girl. She is that must have, you guys. Alright, you guys, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you are subscribed. We are almost to 20,000 subscribers. When we get there, we will have a huge giveaway because I'm so excited. Alright, you guys, make sure you are following me on all my social media, and you're checking me out on my wig blog and my wig store, www.JessTheDragoness.com, and make sure you stay tuned for the slow-mos because they are so lit.